murder
Yeah,
me.
Brandon just killed somebody. Brandon is the murderer. Confirmed.
Press the button, 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 press the button!
It's not working!
Whoops.
Kyle's
Jack
Jack
Skellington.
Skellington.
detail. That's currently Jack
Oh,
Skellington.
Detective Slimer is
No,
back.
but I'm saying I don't know. By
Oh my God, Donald!
I am this one here. Here, you're the skeleton, right? This is me. I am Kyle.
Leave me. Oh.
Nobles coming with the chair! He's going to kill us with it!
Sorry. Sorry.
There's an invisible watermelon here. Invisible watermelon disappeared.
Alright, so
Who
who's
wants
the murderer?
beer?
Detective Slimer is on the case.
Someone has died in this cafe. We must find out who.
Hey, Rob.
All right, sir.
I want my beer.
Sir, you are clearly too drunk. You're cut off. Please exit the building.
Alright, fine.
All right then.
Alright, this bartender's got a gun.
All right, so Slimer is nice.
You're not going to enjoy my beer.
DJ has the gun
Will you
now.
die?
I'm just gonna do something real quick.
I saw a
I have a
Spartan
banana.
outside.
Anybody want a banana?
Get away
The
from
lighting
me.
flash,
DJ,
and
I
it's
have.
gone.
I mean, general rule of thumb is shoot noble.
Close your...
God damn it, where'd it go?
My gun.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna go back to what I was doing.
So,
Kyle,
wait,
Kyle,
wait.
we got a banana
So
for you.
DJ had the knife, right?
Uh,
Gun.
Kyle, take
Yeah, DJ, I was gonna say DJ had the gun, not the knife.
That means I'm innocent then.
Kyle, we're trying to sell you a goddamn banana. Take
And I'm trying to take Rob's body into a dark corner.
One of you is the killer. Oh, that was bad. That was bad.
Now will you please let me just take Rob into a dark corner and have my way with him?
I love that Alwolf is just stood outside watching.
Oh, that's where you are. Watch out!
Thanks, Rob. I was going for the gun.
Sorry.
Damn it.
Giving away positions.
So DJ, that's an example of ghosting.
And he shoots the innocent. That's all well.
I grabbed the gun and then I got shanked.
I got shot in the face. For no damn reason.
Almost all of you got shot.
I got shot in the face too for no reason as well.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Yeah.
don't worry. We
That's
were,
supposed to be
we
up
were,
You know what? I like this plan.
Explanation.
This is a good
I
plan.
think
doing
one of the
classic
three of you
elimination.
is
For no reason.
dead. I think one of the three of you is the killer.
Yeah, probably.
Fuck.
Who's the
What
three?
kind of orgy did I just see?
Not one that got boring real quick when Slimer left. he was the lube.
Yeah.
I'm lagging. Oh.
You're lagging.
Oh my god, the lag. I've been lagging all my
Hi,
Hi, Noble.
DJ.
What?
Hi, DJ. Can I have a drink?
Oh, I just thought of something. Guys, come with me.
Guzzle.
Thank you.
Come with me, boys.
Just let it go. Thank you. Go. Here, I have the.
Hey, Noble.
God
we
damn
were
it! You're
safe.
helping cook my beer.
Wait, I have a way for us to be even
Cook my
safer.
Beer, damn it!
I'm sorry.
Noble's
I
a
didn't
bad
mean
guy.
to.
Well, that's it. I don't have any left.
Arnwolf, join us.
Kill some.
You fool!
outside,
You
see
ran
what-
out of beer. You don't know what you've done.
I
Some-
think Noble's a
Someone
bad
Let
guy.
us pray he does not have a gun.
All right, so everyone, someone come on here, McLeod, on umbrella.
I can't see the
Corp?
other.
How do we get?
Well,
How
I
do we
mean,
get
I
up
do
there?
got watermelon.
All right, now Rob, crouch down.
Oh no.
Stand up.
Oh no, Kyle! What are you doing?
Ah! Brandon.
Yep.
All
Yep.
Brandon, shoot
Yeah.
Noble. He's the baddie.
Who wants a watermelon?
Brandon and I are
Are
cool.
you a murderer?
Oh please.
No.
We're
Jack,
kind
I've
of
got
cool.
you. I've got
Brandon
you.
is murderer!
right.
Brandon is murderer!
Yep. Damn it!
Brandon.
Nice
The-
shot.
You cannot escape the
How
corner.
goes it, dude?
You go in the corner and you die there.
What?
But you can kill from there as well.
I'm actually surprised I didn't get shot.
I was considering it.
Boom.
Noble, why?
Who's already shooting shots?
Because you were coming right at me, so I decided.
Noble
to
had the
defend
gun.
I
myself.
didn't.
Noble, yeah, I know. Noble has the gun.
Yeah,
Had the
Noble
gun.
has
He
the gun.
dropped it shooting Rob.
No, he didn't. Rob's still
Okay.
alive.
No, I'm still alive.
Yeah.
Oh, my ankles.
No, I gave
He's
him a
too
warning shot.
incompetent. Couldn't even
I
hit
tried.
me. I stood right in front of
I
him.
gave him a warning shot. I didn't really. I was thinking, huh? Why is Rob coming out that close?
That's a likely story.
No, I spawned.
God
to
damn it,
you shot
Rob!
me.
Get away
Oh,
from me!
please don't.
Kill
Who
him.
wants a beer?
Everyone wants a
I
beer.
just want clues. The only thing I want is clues.
Everyone, go and rush Noble.
Oh, I can get in on this. Where is he?
Take it.
Bomb rush!
No refunds.
The only good noble is a dead
What the
noble.
hell is going on?
We're bum rushing Noble. Where is he?
He's up in the cap.
He's at the diner.
What the fuck is going on?
He's in the corner. Over by the fire pit.
Man.
Get him!
Bomb rush! Tired.
Give me your tentacles.
Kyle.
I am here for your
So,
I require
tentacles.
some lasagna.
Noble.
He has a knife, he
I
has
have
a
a proposition to make to our
Who has the
Jeff.
knife?
I think it's Arnwolf.
Alright, Noble, get in the...
No, it's Brandon again!
I don't know how the hell that turned out, but...
No! Get the gun, quick, Kyle! I'm blind.
Kill Noble. That's what you
Sorry,
get.
Noble. I may saved you second to last, so...
No.
I had so many chances to kill you, Noble. You thought I would have killed you.
Party
I didn't
hot!
want to.
Leg!
Damn it!
Yeah, Rob, the party hat was so giving away.
No, I also saw him duck down behind the car, so...
Oh, okay.
He wasn't getting away.
No.
Hey, McLeod, how's it going?
That was the wrong kind of step out there.
Damn it!
I couldn't have
Ah.
done.
Finally a good murder round.
Nice job.
Nice job.
Shall we do like 2 more rounds and then get a change of map in?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah,
Sweet.
sounds good.
What map
Oh,
are we
how's
changing?
university been going, Jason?
Yes, a trash can. That's definitely a clue.
Come here, you slimy
Because I'm
bitch.
trash.
Come here.
White trash? Yeah!
Wait,
Really?
McLeod, take him!
Nice.
What was that?
That was
Payback for all the needless times you stabbed me in the back, you son of a bitch.
that was Brandon enacting swift and accurate justice.
I mean,
That
if-
was swift.
Hey,
That was very swift justice.
wait, who has the SPAR number again?
Brandon.
Brandon.
Hello,
Brandon.
present. I'm like
Oh,
literally
please
right
don't
outside the
jump
diner.
in.
Brandon.
Yes.
Hello,
Why does your armor keep changing color?
because it's the color.
Oh.
It's the color
Hey,
of
I wanna
our-
go in the
Are you a
elevator.
rainbow?
No.
Do it now.
We
No
all
one will
eventually will
know.
become rainbows, but that's
What?
okay.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
I don't
Kill
have
him now. Kill him now. Go ahead. Nobody
Wait
sees
1
you.
second.
Guys, murder
Yeah,
me.
Brandon just killed somebody. Brandon is the murderer. Confirmed.
Press the button, 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 press the button!
It's not working!
Whoops.
Confirmed. Brandon the murderer.
I am not.
Kyle?
Son of a bitch. I'll kill you for it.
Brandon just murdered Arnwolf! And he's playing Ring Around the Rosie with me!
I did no such thing.
He's stabbing the car repeatedly!
Shooting me, Rob!
I told
Let's
you.
try him, Noble.
It's not
No,
me!
no, 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 no,
That's the sound of
Cap,
desperation.
you okay
What
there,
the
buddy?
fuck is going on today? Oh, that's not good.
Oh no. Why would you walk up to the elevator?
Fool! Your
Oh,
blood is
The
mine!
elevator.
My god, 3 rounds worth of revenge!
That's
I sacrificed myself.
Bloodshed is
so you can
mine!
Take
I
him
just
down.
want to say, I warned you. I told you all.
I mean,
But no, don't
Silence! The
believe.
dead cannot speak!
I claimed your soul.
I'm only speaking because it's out. Everybody knows.
Oh, Rob, on that car.
Yeah, I'm just reclining.
Everyone wonders what happens to a Spartan
Like
who goes
a
mad.
showroom model.
You will now see.
Oh,
Did you
look
say
at
Michelle
the
Room model?
Bloodshed.
Capri.
Noble!
Bye.
My
Leave me
friend!
alone! I will lead you to Rob if you don't get.
Rob's dead already!
It's the two
That's
people that
hilarious.
Just
sound alike.
you! Come, my
No.
friends!
Hilarious.
No, 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 no,
I
no.
need your tentacly goodness!
This is what happens when you...
Friends forever.
This is what happens when you teabag.